Albo win equals property boom. Albo absolutely spanked Dutton in the federal election. He's going to get his second term, and he won in a landslide, guys, an absolute landslide. It's crazy. Look, he was expected to win. The only question was, is he going to be a majority or is he going to be a minority winner? So he's absolutely answered all those questions.
Today, we continue the work of continuing to build Australia's future.
All we care about in TMAP land is what does that mean for us? What does that mean for property? So let's have a look at Albo's housing policies. Now, the biggest thing for us is Albo's 5% deposit. He's big on this. All Australians will be able to buy a property with a 5% deposit, their first home with only a 5% deposit. There'll be no lender's mortgage insurance. The cool thing about this, where it's unique, is there's no caps. If you can buy a $1 million property, you can buy a $1 million property with a 5% deposit. And you will not pay lender's mortgage insurance. That is a huge savings, guys. So let's say you're gonna buy an $800,000 property. You would need $40,000 to buy that property, out of pocket. That $40,000 is all you need. There'll be no stamp duty in New South Wales. There'll be no lender's mortgage insurance. And you can get yourself an $800,000 property. What I love about this is these numbers become practical for hardworking families. They feel achievable. People are like, oh, wait a minute, we could do that. You know, if we knuckle down for the next 12 months, we could probably knock this out of the ballpark. When it becomes achievable, families get excited, they take steps towards the outcome. That's what we've seen happen at Teach Me About Property. But what I want you to understand is you can also take advantage today. There's some great incentives that are in play at the moment. If you look at the housing market up in Queensland, no one's throwing more money at first homeowners than up in the Queensland market. Why? Well, let's have a look. First of all, no stamp duty. Doesn't matter the property purchase price for first homeowners. If you buy a $10 million property, no stamp duty. That's the first thing, no stamp duty, irrespective of the price. The next thing is you can still get access to no LMI. And the third thing is the $30,000 first homeowners grant. Now guys, that is only available until the end of June. The end of June, guys. What I want you to understand is this is all rocket fuel. It's rocket fuel for property price growth. Why? All of the economists agree this is going to have an inflationary impact. It's going to increase the property prices. Firsthand, when they released, during COVID, they did the home builders grant and everyone got $25,000 to build a home. And so that went crazy, went amazing. And what happened? Prices exploded. Expect to see the same results, guys. From June till the end of this year, we are going to see 4 interest rate drops. We're going to see a 1% decrease in interest rates. And when interest rates go down, property prices go up. That's the first thing. Second thing is enabling more Australians to buy more properties is going to stoke the demand side, guys. So many more people are going to be able to buy property. The demand is going to go up. We're going to see property prices increase, especially between that, $750,000 to $1 million, maybe $1.2 million price range, because people with the same amount of money can buy so much more property, guys. And when all of this happens, borrowing capacities increase as well. So my verdict on all of this is Albo's housing policies are going to see property prices increase. We're going to see property prices increase. The other thing is, you got to get ready, guys. You got to be ready to take action. Don't wait. Now's the time. Okay? Much love, partner. Peace out. A-Town.